In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download images from Google Docs. Have you ever found yourself needing to save an image from a document you're working on, but can't quite figure out how to do it? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through a simple process that will allow you to extract those images quickly and easily. To get started, open up your Google Docs document. Once you're in, look toward the top left of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu bar. We're going to start off by clicking on the File option. It's the first one on the menu, so it's pretty easy to spot. Now, when you click File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose the option labeled Share. As soon as you hover over Share, you'll see another submenu unfold in front of you. And this is where you'll find the Publish to Web option. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up window will appear on your screen containing a URL link. This URL is going to be our bridge to access the images. The link might be a bit long, but there's no need to worry. As soon as it's displayed, it'll be highlighted for you. At this point, you have two ways to copy it. You can quickly press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it, or if you prefer using your mouse, you can right-click on the highlighted URL and select Copy. Now, our next step is to launch a new tab in your web browser. In this Fresh tab, you should click into the address bar, the space at the very top where you typically see website URLs. Once your cursor is blinking in the address bar, just paste the URL you copied. For those using the keyboard, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+V, or you can right-click in the bar and select Paste from the context menu. Once the URL is there, simply press Enter. You'll now see that your Google Doc has loaded into the new tab. More importantly, all the images from your document are there as well, ready to be downloaded. To save an image, hover over it with your mouse, then give a right click. In the menu that appears, look for the option Save Image As. When you select this, a window will pop up, allowing you to choose where you'd like to save your image. You can give it a name that makes sense for you, or just stick with the default. Finally, hit Save, and there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Google Docs. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If it made your life a tiny bit easier, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.